Good morning. It's the 29th, our first full day in Jasper. We just had breakfast in Big Bear Paw Bakery.
Yep.
Sticky buns are sticky.
Yeah, so we had a few things there. But yeah, the sticky bun was really, really sticky. And then, we're going to head out to see some waterfalls on the Icefields Parkway today. Athabasca, I think, is going to be one of them. And then, I can't remember the other one, but...
Something.
Yeah, anyways, we're going to do a quick little trip down the Icefields Parkway because we had to skip them yesterday because the mountains get dark by like 2:30, I think it was.
Very fast.
Because the sun goes behind the mountains. So we couldn't see them in the daylight, so we figured we would just do it today. Have an easy day.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing today, and then we'll see what we're doing later. But
Yeah.
we'll check in later when we get to the...
If you haven't seen the grand view in the back.
Yeah, we have a pretty cool mountain view, and we did that last night. And you can see the trains. I took a time lapse like last night. We'll see if it turned out. I'll put it in the video anyways, even if it's not fantastic, because it'll be pretty cool.
Yeah.
But, okay, we're done talking. Talk to you later.
Later. just did 2 waterfalls hike. Well, not quite hike, walk.
Strolls, yeah.
Yeah, it's really pretty. The first waterfall is,
Athabasca Falls?
yes,
Yes.
it's very pretty, very blue, very scenic.
And we spent quite a bit of time there.
Yes,
And then we just are leaving Sunwapta Falls.
yes.
And there's a 2-mile hike you can do to the lower falls. We did it before, so we decided we're not going to do it again because it's okay. And it's 2:45, which means it would be all in the kind of almost dark shade.
Dark, yeah, yeah.
So we're heading back to Jasper now. It's 2:45 in the afternoon. We've got some beautiful sun on top of mountain peaks in front of us. We have a great view on the drive home. It's about 45 minutes back.
Yeah.
So by 3:30 it gets dark around here because the sun just kind of never really goes above the peaks much and just kind of goes around. so we're heading back. The roads are great. It's easy cruising. So we're having a pretty easy day.
Yeah.
Really pretty waterfalls and an easy day. So we'll, if we do something later, we'll check in. If not, maybe we will. We'll see.
We'll see.
Bye.